Pam Laking charges that her 15-year-old daughter, Crystal, is fighting, doing drugs, and skipping school. Crystal denies that she's out of control and says the only time she becomes defiant is when her mother won't let her see Breen.
So you are basically coming now to ask the court's intervention because you're concerned about your daughter's behavior. Specifically, you're concerned about her relationship with her boyfriend.
About 8 months ago, I had a daughter that was a good girl. And since she's met him, she's been skipping school. She's been kicked out of school. She's had an assault charge. She's doing drugs. She's sexually active and very disrespectful to myself.
How old are you?
15.
15 years old.
Yeah.
And how long have you been involved with this boyfriend?
Almost 10 months.
10 months?
Yeah.
And his name is?
Breen.
What are your grades like in school now?
She's failing almost all of them.
I didn't get anything higher than 60.
She got
60 is a D.
She got way under 60 on most of them.
So we got you suspended for school for fighting.
Yeah.
D's and F's grades. You're smoking.
Yeah.
How often are you smoking?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
And you're sexually active with this new boyfriend?
Sometimes she comes home, most of the time she doesn't.
So she's staying out days at a time?
Yeah.
She is living in your house, and she is a 15-year-old child, and she's staying out days at a time? I don't understand this.
That's the problem. I can't stop her. I'm worried about where she's going from here.
Why can't you stop her?
Because she doesn't listen. If I tell her not to stay there or go to his house, she runs away and his parents let her stay there.
But you are her mother.
I know that.
And you are in charge.
Supposed to be.
All right, I'm gonna get back to this in a minute. I understand, Sergeant, that the boyfriend is here. I want to meet him. All right, if you'll introduce yourself for the record for the court, please. Your name?
Breen Guillemette.
All right, and you've been dating Crystal.
Yep.
I understand she's smoking at your house every day.
Yeah. It's actually her own choice if she wants to smoke and basically, yeah.
You understand she's been kicked out of school?
Yeah, I have nothing to do with that. That was over different matters. I don't know how I could stop that. I go to a totally different school than her, so.
She is a 15-year-old child who stays at your house overnight.
Yeah.
She told me that you all were sexually active. So
Yeah.
she's having sex in your parents' home. And your parents don't say anything about this?
My parents are not aware of it.
They're not aware of it.
Yeah.
Why are you with him, Crystal?
Because I love him.
How do you know what love is?
Because it just feels right.
So you're flunking out of school, you're smoking every day, and where is that going to lead you?
Well, in my school we have cosmetology and I'm taking hair care, and then when I'm done that I'm going to be a hairdresser and I'm opening my own shop.
But you have to be there to be able to
Well,
pass
I
it.
will go there. I do go.
You're the mother,
I know.
and I am telling you that if it takes the police understanding and you going and having the police be at that house, and she needs a reality check. But I am telling
She has
you,
no voice. She doesn't, he speaks everything for her. She's lost all her friends. She doesn't go out with her friends. They haven't done anything this past summer except for go to his house and watch movies, smoke and have sex is all I believe they've done.
if he gets tired of you and kicks you aside, you're going to be up the creek because you're going to be lost. So you need to get a grip on what you're doing. And I think you are really a bad influence on her. But it seems to me that you're out of control and you don't have any parents telling you what to do at home either. And that's a whole nother issue.
I think that each person makes their own choices, so if she chooses to make her choices,
And you know
then
what I
that's her
think?
choice, right?
I think you're a big mouth and hush. I think that what has happened is that she has made some bad choices, starting with having you as a boyfriend. So yes, you're right. People do make their own choices, and you're right, she has made choices, and I'm telling you, I think that they're bad choices because I think that you are no good for her. So have that. Now, having said that, I am going to order Crystal participate fully in a special program near your home for some advice regarding this drug abuse, whether you think is drug abuse or not, it is. Crystal, you are ordered to participate in this counseling program. He's going to go into this counseling program with you, because I think it will be very important for both of you all to have that as a way of getting your lives in order and on track. We're going to have the caseworker monitoring this case continuously so that we can have some results. You all may be excused. Thank you.